Are you looking to make your design sleep from the screen? Learn how to create a 3D pop-up effect that will transform your designs into showstoppers. This will be perfect for your website, products page, or even your videos. This simple trick will captivate your audiences like never before. Now let's get started. So once you have your page that you want, the next thing you will do is go to elements and type in curve. I'm going to choose this one. I am going to go to edit and change the color to white. I am going to copy and paste it. Okay. I am going to flip it around. Put it on top of the girl's head. And then I'm going to turn this one around as well at the bottom. Bring it all the way down. I am going to copy and paste again. Drag it around. Turn it around like I did the other ones. Bring it all the way out. I'm going to make this much bigger. Make this larger as well. And then I'm going to click paste again. So I'm going to bring this down. And I'm going to turn it around and connect it as well. Drag it down all the way to the bottom. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go over to draw on the left side. Click on this particular highlighter. Change the color to white. I'm going to make sure the weight is 100. The transparency is 100. Okay, so now we're going to just start coloring in, shading in. Okay. Okay, so once you have that done, guys, go to share, download, and make sure it's PNG. Okay, so next thing, guys, we want to do is go to elements. I am going to choose the color orange because of the fall colors that's in the leaves in the picture. You can choose any color background that you would like. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go back to uploads. Once that's done, click on the picture we uploaded, and then you're going to drag it out. Okay, the next thing you want to do is click on the image and hit edit. Click on magic grab. Click on brush. Okay, we're just going to go inside with our brush and just start grabbing the image. You might go a little outside, but that's okay. And then reduce it. And grab the edges as best as you can. Grab. Then you're going to click the background. And then you're going to click delete. Then go to edit. Scroll down to shadows. Click on outline. Then change the color to white. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is go to share, download, PNG, make sure it's transparent background. You want page 2. Make sure you click page 2, not click download. Okay, so then what you're going to do is go to upload files, open it. So you're going to copy the orange in this picture and paste it. Okay, we're going to upload our image that we just uploaded. Alright. Okay, you scroll down till you see shadows, you click on it. Then you click on curve. Okay, you want the distance 0, and you want curve all the way up to 100. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is get the first picture that we first uploaded, and you want to make it transparency to 51, and you want to try to put this on top of it. Measure it as close to it as possible you can. Put our head on top. Okay, you want to zoom in a little bit. Then click on transparency. Raise it all the way up to 100. Okay guys, the next thing you want to do is edit image, remove the background. So guys, this is it. I think it looks pretty good. And there you have it guys, your very own 3D pop-up effect in Canva. Now go ahead and apply it to your website, your products page, and your videos to really make them shine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, this is Darlette.